good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. We are currently on a short trip on the little train here in Bali Crete. On our way to the port to take our boat ride. And as y'all can see, there's stops for this train for public use. It's like €3 per person one way, but it'll take you to all 4 beaches, and we'll also be able to communicate with the guy in charge of the ticketing. So it's very convenient if you just wanted to explore Bali without having to walk in this heat, and if you don't have a car. So anyway, this is the city tour information. Check them out. It's definitely worth the €3, especially when it's scorching hot outside. You probably don't want to have to walk in this weather because it's very humid, even though it's close to the ocean. The breeze from the water is going to cool you off, but it's a cool experience to just hang out and take the train ride. So hopefully you guys would enjoy it as we continue to embark towards the port, and let us know what you think. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook, and drop us a line on our description page if you have any questions, suggestions. We'd love to hear from you. Looking forward to traveling with everyone again on our next visit to another destination. So anyway, these are all the destinations that you can go to here in Greece, and places to kind of exchange experience with. So we're slowly moving down the hill. It's pretty steep, and you probably want to turn down the volume because it's squeaky. I'm gonna try to put music instead of me listening to all this grinding noise, but anyway, it's our first stop. Which beach is this? So this bar. This is the beach that we like. Yeah. So this is Baropsos Beach. Okay. So this is one of our favorite beaches here in Bali. Actually, been here twice already. Okay, so we head on back up. It's very convenient to take this train ride just because, you wouldn't know the little tiny places to go to without the navigation of this driver. So make sure to consider taking this train ride. And while you're at it, you might as well just go ahead and sightsee some pretty interesting architectures here. And most of the hotels are right next to the beach, so it's fairly convenient for you just to walk out of the door and right to the beach. Alright, more passengers coming up. More tourists, as y'all can see. They're floating around as much as you would see goats floating around. Here you see tourists, the equal amount of goats. So anyway, that's where, you know, these cruise ship, we're all through our Santa Maria cruises, and we'll be basically back here around 5-ish this afternoon. So we're gonna disembark on Ratinmo for a little bit, grab lunch, and then cruise back from Ratinmo to Bali. Anyway, alright folks, hope you guys are enjoying this quick train ride. Looking forward to hearing back from you. If you have any questions, suggestions, or anything you want us to cover, let me know. I'd be more than happy to give you the link to all these places to visit and tourist information that might come in handy for you while you're traveling to Bali. Alright folks. Just so that you all know, not all these restaurants and hotels and villas will provide you drinking water. So make sure when you book your stay in any of these villas or hotels that you specifically request drinking water. If they won't give you free drinking water, don't book with them, because the shop is at the bottom of the hill. If you have to lug your water on your backpack or carrying it up the hill, you're gonna need the water before you even get to your hotel. So make sure that your hotel or your villa that you're gonna be staying with provides drinking water for you. That's one thing that we learned as we stayed here, because it becomes very contentious after your 3rd day or 4th day asking for water. Alright folks, I hope you have a wonderful time in Bali, and looking forward to sharing some more of our trips and experiences with you. I'll resume this video footage once we get to the port. Thanks for watching. Oh well, actually we're not that far, so I'll just keep on rolling for now. So anyway, yeah, you can see some of these, you know, apartment villas and all sorts of hotels. And the port is within proximity from us. It's about less than a minute away, I think. I saw the boats up there, so yeah, pretty interesting. So the port is over there. So and that's, yeah. All right, so they're bringing in more passengers. Anyway, let me know if you have any suggestions at the description section of this video blog, and I will try to answer them. You know, I try to be as comprehensive as possible when you're requesting additional information, because just like you, I'm, you know, visiting for the very first time, and I don't always have the information that is required for you to make a decision. So let us know if you have anything specific that you want us to cover, and I'll be more than happy to answer those questions after I solicit information and do some research. All right, folks, we're gonna keep on going down the hill until we get to the port, and I will show you what the boat looks like from the bottom. But you can actually see, the ship. It's a pirate ship from up here. It's parked right over to the right. It looks like a pirate ship over there. So that's the ship that we're gonna get on. They have daily tours in the morning and afternoon for sunrise and sunset. So they basically travel to Rithimos twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. So we elected to go in the morning because we wanted to go on a city walking tour in Rithimo for a couple hours, and obviously we want to also sightsee, and maybe we'll find some dolphins or any land, water animals during the daytime. So anyway, here we are. We're gonna be walking towards the port. You flip the camera over so you can see where we're going, and here we are. Yeah. So you can see the landscape here. Anyway, here we are, folks. We're gonna show you where the boat is docked, and then I'll resume our footage once we're actually on the boat and moving. So I don't have a whole lot of video space on my phone. I think it's probably down there. Anyway, so we're not really sure where we're going, but I think the port is at the bottom here. You got the puffer fish. And yeah. All right, so we're gonna keep on going. Anyway, this is what it looks like in this small fishing village, and yeah, it's pretty interesting. As y'all can see, I'm actually going to be hitting up some of this souvenir shop just to show you what it looks like. You don't necessarily have to buy anything from here. I just wanted to show you what is available. Little puffer fish. All right, we keep on moving. Yeah, so it's fairly quaint fishing village. You probably want to, spend some time here, a couple of days at least, just experience you know, the ambience of a little tiny fishing village, and away from the hustle and bustles of, you know, the main city tourist traps in Crete. Anyhow, so very small fishing village. Prices are reasonable, actually. Probably much more reasonable compared to some of the other shops that we've been to. Anyway, this is what it all looks like. So we were here actually a few days ago. We parked over there, and the boat is sitting right over there. And yeah, pretty nice, you know, set up here. It's it's only 8:30 in the morning, so you don't see a lot of people, or actually it's, well, a little bit later than 8:30 then. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and we're close to our boat, so we'll show you where we're going to be leaving from. Our boat has those tall ship, you know, looking, you know, features to it, but obviously when you know, the pirates were hijacking all those merchant ships, they didn't use big vessels like, you know, some of the legends back then of pirate ships. They're actually smaller boats. I'm not saying that they weren't, you know, bigger ships, but they definitely had smaller versions of those pirate ships throughout the Caribbean, and obviously here too. So yeah, that tall ship looking pirate ship is the one that we're going to be riding, and we'll meet the captain, who looks like he's one of the guests from Shawshank Redemption, but he's pretty cool, as I've heard. Anyway, this is where we park, and I hope you guys join us as we embark on this quick pirate ship boat ride here in Bali, Crete. Thanks for watching, folks. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and like us on Facebook. Take care. Bye-bye.